Task number 13, Proxying HTTPS. This is part of Burp Suite the Basics, which is part of complete beginner path that we are doing. Note, the attacking box is already configured to solve the problem posed in this task. If you're using the attack box and don't wish to read through the information here, you can skip to the next task. When intercepting HTTP traffic, we may encounter an issue when navigating to sites with TLS enabled. For example, when accessing a site like Google, we may receive an error indicating that the Proxying certificate authority is not authorized to secure the connection. This happens because the browser does not trust the certificate presented by Burp Suite. If you want to read more about TLS, you can read on WASP cheat sheet series and just type transport layer security. Here you can read more about it. You will almost always hear about SSL TLS because SSL was the previous version of TLS. This is basically the encryption that HTTPS uses. Alright, so this will be the error that you will see in Firefox if you want to access Google through the Burp proxy for the first time. To overcome this issue, we can manually add the Proxying CA certificate to our browser's list of trusted certificate authorities. Here's how to do it. First of all, I want to say that we've done this already. We will not do it again, but we'll go through the material. And also we have from Proxying installing Burp CA certificate. You can go through this tutorial and you will fix that, or just watch my installation. I installed it for Firefox. In Burp CA certificate, installing a Burp CA certificate docs, you can see for Chrome and Safari also. Download the CA certificate with Burp's proxy activated. Navigate to Burp Cert. This will download the file called. Alright, save this file somewhere on your machine. Access Firefox certificate settings. Type About Preferences into your Firefox URL bar and press Enter. Or you can go to Firefox settings, type Certificates, and you will see it, View Certificates. This will take you to the Firefox settings page. Search for the page for certificates and click on the View Certificates buttons. Import the CA certificate in the Certificate Manager window. Click on Import button, then select our downloaded certificate file that you downloaded in the previous step, right? Set trust for the CA certificate in the subsequent windows that appears. Check the box that says Trust DCA to identify websites and click OK. By completing these steps, we have added a Proxying CA certificate on our list of trusted certificate authorities. Now we should be able to visit any TLS-enabled site without encountering the certificate error. We can watch the following video for visual demonstration of the full certificate import process. Okay, let's watch this. So here we demonstrate that we don't have the certificate installed. We go to settings in Firefox. We search for certificates. We click certificates. Here we go for import. Select the downloaded certificate. Check trust that. Okay. Okay. Boom. Now we re-navigate to Google. Boom, that's it. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Okay. By following this instruction, you can ensure that your browser trusts that CA certificate and securely communicates with TLS-enabled websites through the Burp Suite proxy. Answer the questions below. If you are not using the attack box, configure Firefox or your browser of choice to accept the Proxying CA certificate for TLS communications through the Burp proxy. Awesome.